Hello, hello chicos! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexa and I'm here in Italy's Vitri sul Mare on the Amalfi Coast. We're here, this is the view from our apartment. We're here for 10 days on our honeymoon, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day out. People are out on the beach having a great time. It's so beautiful here. Lots of climbing, lots of fun times. We're having a great time here. And I wanted to share with you some of the things that we packed for our trip. So let's take a look. Before we do though, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting some new videos as soon as we get back. In the meantime, let's go take a look to see what I packed for this trip. Okay, so these are all of the things that I brought with me in terms of clothes. As you can see, we've got, several t-shirts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts because I'm wearing one as well. One nice shirt, a dress as well. My pajamas, of course, bathing suits, some underwear, a few pairs of socks. I also brought my my sweatshirt, which I wore on the plane, and a raincoat just in case it rained. It's also good to have a windbreaker. 2 pairs of shorts and 1 pair of pants, which so far I haven't used, so I probably could have done without. My towel that I always bring with me because it's nice to have on the beach, just in case there's not enough towels at the place where we're staying. The cube, which I like to put all of my clothes in. So all of that fit in there. And then in terms of shoes, I brought 2 pairs of sandals, one walking and a nicer pair of sandals for going out in the evening, and my pair of runners, which I'm wearing it right now and I wore on the plane. So that's pretty much it in terms of clothes for 10 days, and so far so good. Okay, so that's pretty much all I brought. I forgot to mention I did pack a hat as well, which is important to bring. If you like this video, let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any other travel tips for traveling to the Amalfi Coast or any other place, let me know. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. That's all for now. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye bye.